Alright, so this is Pick a Song. Most of you told me to do this song. Wrong Places by Joshua Baraka. Let's go, Uganda, stand up. Chat, take a little puff, puff, puff. When you're looking at the mirror and you see the person, you feel nothing but love, love, love. Progressing life with a meditation, your manifestation or elevation. We run it in every nation, but me and Joshua I represent for every Ugandan. Alright, we're done. Let me know if this is a W or a L. And make sure you let me know what song you want me to vibe to next. Alright, peace.
Take a little shot, shot, shot. Hey. Take a little puff, puff, puff. Whoa. When you're looking at the mirror and you see the person, you feel nothing but love, love, love. It's a celebration. You go through your life with a meditation, your manifestation or elevation. We run it in every nation, but me and Joshua I represent for every Ugandan. Woman, we love you and you must make it. You fake up for your goals, go feed them now. You know you're not time wasted. Go girl, you can have the whole world. Anything you want to, me say greatness for you.